love doing what's in my bag. Sometimes I'll just pretend to do a what's in my bag even if I'm not filming like on a camera. I don't know why, it's so much fun. But this is the bag that I have today. It matches my cute outfit. It's just like really girly. I actually got this at a thrift shop last summer. It's just so fun and girly, and it has the sequins of the little butterflies on it. And yeah, it's just so cute. First thing is usually my phone, but I was playing music off of it, so it's right here. And here is just a Ziploc baggie of some masks because always gotta stay stacked. Next are my sunglasses. I love these so much. These are actually prescription sunglasses, so I can actually see. But they're Ray-Bans, and I probably need to clean them, but this is what they look like. They're very nice. When I put them on, it feels like I'm in a movie because all of the colors are just so bright and colorful. Like, I love these so much. They are my favorites. Some cash. Always gonna keep cash. Some gum. I love keeping a big thing of gum. Just, you never know, you might have to just pop it in your mouth real quick. Gotta keep your breath cute. I love this bag in particular because it's really big. It has a lot of pockets. You guys already know I love pockets. It has this really big pocket in the middle. There's nothing in there right now, but I usually would probably hide something in there. Some hoops. Always gotta keep like a pair of gold hoops just in case, you know, I might have these little cute ones in because, but then I might need to switch it up a little bit and pull these out real quick, so you never know. Always have to adjust well to the setting. You never know where you'll be. I keep this little silk bag in here from Amy Shihab. This is where I get most of my rings from. That's where I got my pinky ring. It's so cute. But yes, you'll never know when I just want to add some more rings, or maybe I'll have to take some off really quick. Like if you're going to the gym or going and getting a massage, you might have to take off your jewelry. So it's just nice to keep a little silk bag so nothing gets damaged and you just know it has your pretties in there. But yes, you guys check out Amy Shihab. She has amazing jewelry on her website. Just like really dainty and jewelry, really like dainty and elegant pieces, but also just like crazy and exotic ones. So definitely check out her website. Thing, I have a charger. Always have to keep a charger on. Don't want your phone to die. My AirPods. I got this cute little case. I love it so much. I have a Rollerball Perfume. This one is Marc Decadence. This is probably one of my favorite fragrances. Just smells so feminine and so divine. I love it. It almost makes my mouth water because it smells so good. And I got my credit cards. I usually just keep my credit cards in a little holder. That way I don't lose them. And, you know, if I want to carry any cash, I'll just put it in this little guy here. I usually just put coins and some ones in this little wallet. Let's see here. I have a receipt to, I mailed a package. And then a receipt for Smoothie King. Love Smoothie King. Gotta get those points. That's when you get $1 off, so I always keep those. Let's see, I have my Fenty lipstick. This is my Mademoiselle Thick lipstick. I love this one. It's like a mauve color. It's similar to something that I have on right now. The one I'm wearing right now is from Becca Cosmetics. Then I have my little measuring tape because you never know when you're out and you just have to like measure yourself if you're, I don't know, designing something, or maybe one of your girlfriends forgets her waistline size. Just gotta pull it out. And then I have a pad. Wow, this is a huge pad. You might see a boy and just be like, boy, bye. That is all that's in my bag. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.